At first glance, this equation looks like complex. X raised to the power of 21 plus x raised to the power of 14, that is equal to 12. It is a complex, but we can simplify this very easily. Let's observe the exponents. 21, 14. Since 21 and 14, it is a multiples of 7, isn't it? 21, we can write this as 7 times 3. And 14, we can write this as, in terms of 7, that is 7 times 2. Here we have 7 and 7 as common. So let's take it here. X raised to the power of 7 times 3 plus x raised to the power of 7 times 2, that is equal to 12. Now, this x raised to the power of 7 times 3, it is in the form of a power m times n, isn't it? We can write this as a power m whole power n. So, same like that, we can write this as x raised to the power of 7 whole raised to the power of 3. Same like that, this term also we can write like this, x raised to the power of 7 whole raised to the power of 2, that is equal to 12. Now observe this. Here we have x raised to the power of 7, x raised to the power of 7. So let's consider x raised to the power of 7 as some other variable just like a. So then our equation, it turns into a power 3 plus a power 2, that is equal to 12. See, observe here, we have x raised to the power of 21. Then after few more steps, we convert into cubic equation. We have a raised to the power of 3. It is easy to solve, isn't it? So now observe here what we do. Here we have a raised to the power of 2. Instead of a raised to the power of 2, if you write 3a raised to the power of 2 minus 2a raised to the power of 2, if you do subtraction, then we will get a raised to the power of 2, isn't it? So instead of this, I am going to write 3a power 2 minus 2a power 2. So a power 3, first I write the smaller term, that is minus 2a power 2 plus 3a power 2, that is equal to 12. If you take this 12 as left hand side, then minus 12, that is equal to 0. Now we got this. So from first two terms, if you take a power 2 as common, then you are left with a minus 2. In these two terms, we have here 3, and this 12 we can write it as 3 times 4. That means take 3 as common, then you are left with a raised to the power of 2 minus 4, that is equal to 0. This 4 we can write it as 2 raised to the power of 2. Now this, it is in the form of a power 2 minus b power 2. The formula is a plus b times a minus b, isn't it? So let's use that formula here. So instead of this a power 2 minus 2 power 2, we can write this as a plus 2 times a minus 2. And here we have a power 2 times a minus 2. Now observe these two terms. We have a minus 2 as common. So let's take it as common. From first term you left a power 2. From second term we left 3 times a plus 2, that is equal to 0. So factors are a minus 2 equal to 0. That means a equal to 2. We consider x raised to the power of 7 as a. So instead of a, we can take it as x raised to the power of 7. That means x raised to the power of 7 is 2. Now observe this term. A raised to the power of 2 plus 3 times a plus 2, that is equal to 0. A raised to the power of 2 plus 3a plus 6, that is equal to 0. Now observe the discriminant here. So discriminant is nothing but b square minus 4ac. So b, the value is 3. So 3 power 2, which is 9, minus 4 times a is nothing but 1, c is nothing but 6. 9 minus 24 minus 50 less than 0. So that means here we are going to get complex roots. In the given equation, x raised to the power 21 plus x raised to the power 14 equal to 12, here they are given x are real numbers. That's why we are rejecting this case. Means we are not getting any roots here. So we have only the root, that is x raised to the power of 7, that is equal to 2. X raised to the power of 7, that is equal to 2. If you take 7th root on both sides, then you will get 7th root of x power 7, that is equal to 7th root of 2. So 7th root of x raised to the power of 7, we can write this as x raised to the power of 7 whole raised to the power of 1 by 7. So here 7 and 7 gets cancelled. So then x equal to 2 raised to the power of 1 over 7. So this is the x value. It's time for verification. So then our x value is 2 raised to power of 1 over 7, that is 7th root of 2, isn't it? So now what is our given equation? X raised to power of 21 plus x raised to power of 14, that is equal to 12. Let's take only LHS part, that means left hand side part. So x raised to power of 21 plus x raised to power of 14. So that is equal to, this we can write it as x raised to power of 7 whole raised to power of 3 plus x raised to power of 7 whole raised to power of 2. X is nothing but 2 raised to power of 1 over 7. So 2 raised to power of 1 over 7. Again we have power 7. So let's write power 7 whole power 3 plus x is nothing but 2 raised to power of 1 over 7. Again we have raised to power of 7 whole power 2. 7 gets cancelled. So we are left only 2 raised to power of 3 plus 2 raised to power of 2. 2 raised to power of 3 is nothing but 8 plus 2 raised to power of 2 is nothing but 4. So the value is 12. It is same as our right hand side. That's why x equal to 2 raised to power of 1 over 7 is satisfied our given equation. So the x value is 2 raised to power of 1 over 7. That's it. I hope you like this content. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel and give your valuable comments in the comment section. Thank you for watching.